Hi everyone, Steve here from DigiLife Enabled, and this week I just want to encourage you to think small if you want to succeed. That's right, think small. A lot of people talk about thinking big to succeed, but I just want to let you think about thinking small and how that can help you to succeed as well. Earlier in the week we shared a blog with you from one of our other students, John Jones. John started an import-export business up and he was having some quality issues with the products he was receiving from the factory. So John actually took himself out to the factory in China to see the factory there and the owners and discuss with them his quality needs. And his business really took off after that because he got the quality sorted out. Now some people might think, oh, it's just a small attention to detail looking at some of the little quality issues, but to John his products were an expression of who he was. They were part of his brand, and he wanted that to be right for his customers and clients, and that's important in business. Those small little things can make a big difference. Likewise, another aspect of thinking small is in our not only our business relationships but in our personal relationships and making a difference in this world. Now this week I heard of 16-year-old Tanvi Barma. Now Tanvi has created a charity called No Birthday Left Behind, and what Tanvi is doing is she's going into homeless shelters where children and families are living, and she's throwing birthday parties for those children who ordinarily wouldn't be able to have a birthday party. No matter how old that child is, she wants to make a difference in that child's life, and it's just something simple as putting on, a birthday cake and having some games and having some fun together on that child's birthday. It's a small thing, but it's making a huge difference, and she's got her own website started now to help fund that project going on. You may want to have a look at it. No Birthday Left Behind. What a great work that 16-year-old girl is doing. So here we have John, who's making a difference to his clients by thinking small, and we've got Tanvi, a 16-year-old girl who's making a difference, a big difference in people's lives by thinking small, doing those small little things. So in the week ahead, remember, think small and make a big difference by doing so.